Hey guys, how are you? So, strike a fire. We're going to try these things out. We've had fires in the backyard. Going to try and use this to start some 2x4s that are in the fire pit. Thought these would be great for taking camping also. There's 48 in this box. I'll put the price up in the corner for you. But what it is it's they're supposed to burn for 12 minutes each. They're kind of like a big match, if you see that right there. And on the back, they have a striker back here to light the stick. What I'd like to see, what would be great, and I didn't see one inside here, would be have another one of these strikers on a stick. Or I could cut that out and put it on a stick. So if you were going camping, you could take, maybe 4 or 5 of these with you, 6, and take the stick with the striker on it, and then you wouldn't have to worry about taking this whole big box. This box is pretty heavy and kind of bulky. So let's open this up and see what's inside. And here's what it looks like in the top. Right there, you can see all these little individual sticks. So we're gonna see if we can get one of these out of here. Let's see what happens. So I don't know if these are all each individual, like 2 of them together, or what the deal is. 8. There's 8 in a row like this. You can see how it is like that. And whoop, stuff falls right off. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if there's 6 times 8 is 48. So basically each one would be 2 sticks, it looks like, together. It looks like they're hooked together. Looks like it's almost like a wood. But let's see if this thing lights, and then we'll stick it in the fire and see what happens, all right? Might get a little jittery on the phone or on the camera there, but I'm gonna take this like this and just like a match, I guess. Not going so good yet. Nope. Nope, mosquito just got me on the leg. There it goes. All right. Took 3 tries. And is it going to go out? A little windy out here, but we're going to see how it goes. It's catching now. I'm not going to let you sit here and wait for 12 minutes to see if it burns for 12 minutes, but we're going to see if we can stick it underneath these 2x4s in the fire pit and see if it'll get them going. Still going pretty good. All right, let's put it in the fire pit and see what happens. I'm going to stick it in there, stick it underneath there, and see if it gets it going. Looks like it's going pretty good there. That good old Sadie over on the other side of the fire pit. She loves coming out here and smelling like a fire. And now those are going pretty good. Let me pull it out of there, see. Yeah, now it's going really good. You can see that. Almost like a press board with some wax in it. That'll definitely get these boards going. What you doing, Sadie girl? We're trying out a new fire starter. Yeah, it's really going now. You can see it really going good. Look at that. It's not burning fast, so I can see how this would go for 12 minutes. Really nice. Looking good. All right, guys, so that thing works really well. Get you back on me. That worked pretty good. Took 3 strikes to get it going, but not too bad. And it's really going. I'll pull it out again and show you. It is really going now. Definitely will sit there and burn for a while, and it's going to get those 2x4s going. So if you're at a campground, this might be a great thing to take. Took 3, like we said, 3 strikes to get it to go off this little match thing on the back. But you've got 48 of them inside there, and that thing is really going well. So these would definitely work for the backyard. Saves me from getting the lighter out, or getting out paper, or getting out cardboard, or getting out the torch. I like the torch, but works really good. Let's look at this again. Let's show you. It's really going now. Beautiful. So I'll put the price up there. Probably well worth it, considering you got 48 fires you could start with this thing. See you guys later. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.